How to get Sun God. Guys, in today's video I'm be showing you how you can get the Sun God. The Sun God, the Sun God, Yenda the Sun God. So you can get the Sun God weather, which doesn't even show up as the weather. It doesn't even show up as weather at this point. But once you actually get the Sun God, you'll get a secret mutation. You will get a crazy mutation on your fruits. I do have the mutation somewhere. I believe it's right over here. Not this one. Not this one. Nope. Did I lose it? Where is it? Oh, right here, right here. Heavenly. So this is the heavenly mutation, okay? This is the heavenly mutation. I'm not really sure if you can see it. But yeah, you can kind of see it. Heavenly mutation. You see? Heavenly mutation. That is the Sun God mutation, okay? So the Sun God is a admin weather event. So you do have to wait for the admins to actually like spawn it in. Otherwise, it's kind of hard to get, okay? Otherwise, I'm not really sure if you're gonna get it naturally, because this is a admin weather event, which you have to actually wait for the admins to actually spawn it in. Otherwise, you will not get it. So that's how you get the heavenly mutation, as well as the Sun God event. And as you guys can see, the admins are currently spawning it in by sending messages in the servers for every single person to read. So that's how you get the heavenly mutation as well as the Sun God.